What happened that night? Did I come to the High Court? You tell me, you asked me this question, did I come to the High Court?
I think so, yes.
You think so? And how did you get this information? And let me now inform you. I was at home. I was informed that there was a situation and people want to file petitions. And then they informed me that the Supreme Court Bar Association President, Mr. S.N. Boone, has requested to file a petition. So I said, take all the petitions, send to me if they are necessary. They would WhatsApp those petitions to me. If they were necessary, I would have passed an order. Did I pass an order? So what? Who wanted to do something very unconstitutional or illegal that they got so afraid that only lights were lit? Again, now I tell you something very interesting. I was in my pajamas and I didn't know, you see, because the staff, it was their duty to go to the High Court to receive. I saw the petitions, they were frivolous petitions. I didn't pass any order. If I had to stop someone and I didn't go to the High Court at all, I was in my pajamas and I was taking out something from the fridge. And my wife said, oh, come, see what ARY is saying. They are lamenting that why did he reach the High Court? I said, really? But now I tell you, firstly, you all believed it. Had I passed any order, then probably you may have been right. But you did not even inquire. That happened in 2021. Since 2018, 1,400 petitions were entertained by me at night, in the evening, or after the office hours. And yet, a political narrative was made that why the court was open. So now let me tell you something. What were the television stations saying? Though at that time I didn't realize it. I was watching ARY in my pajamas. I didn't even bother to change because I didn't have to go. I didn't have to pass any order. So, the ARY, you see, I don't want to name them, they created a situation as if martial law is going to be imposed. I wish every time there is a threat of martial law, the courts remain open.